how can we generate bulk videos at once or in a single click? So relax, no tension at all, because I've found a tool that can create all your story videos with just one click. Yes, the videos that used to take hours to make will now be ready in just 5 minutes. From today, no tension of creating images one by one, no tension of converting images into videos one by one. Whether it's text to video or image to video, everything will be ready in one click, free and unlimited for both desktop and mobile. First, go to Google and search AutoMeta. You'll see the Chrome Web Store link at the top. Click on it and add the Meta AI Automation Tool extension to your browser. You'll get a notification saying the extension has been successfully installed. Now, go to the Meta AI website. On the top right corner, click on the extensions icon and open AutoMeta. You'll see a message saying, "Please open the media page first." So click the left side icon to open the sidebar, then click on Create. As soon as you click Create, the AutoMeta interface will appear. We're currently on the Control tab. Below that, you'll see Image List. Click Select Multiple Images to upload all images at once. On the right side, you'll see Sorting options. This tells AutoMeta the order in which images should convert into videos. For example, if you select A to Z and your images are numbered, it will generate the video starting from image 1, then 2, and so on. Below that, you'll see the Prompt section. Write one prompt per line. If you press Enter or add extra space, it counts as a new prompt. Finally, click Start, and your images will convert into videos automatically. First, we'll generate videos using only prompts. This is called text-to-video automation. You don't have to do anything fancy. Paste your prompts line by line, click Start, videos will start generating automatically. The best part? One prompt generates 4 videos. You can download the one you like the most. You can use it for nature documentaries, animal documentaries, peaceful nature vibes, and many more niches. Now let's learn image to video. But for that, we need consistent character images. If you've watched my previous Visk AI automation video, you already know this process. If not, click the link above and watch how to generate all story images in one click. Go to the Visk AI website, paste your first character prompt, generate the image. Do the same for the second character. Download both images. Now click the black arrow on the left side to open the side panel. Click Upload Image under Subject. Upload your first character, click the plus icon, and upload the second character. Once both images are uploaded, open the AutoVisk extension and select the Classic version. Paste your scene prompts, one prompt per line. Leave one line gap between prompts. Click Start, then Run on this project. Your images will start generating and will automatically download. Once all images are ready, go to Meta AI. Click Select Multiple Images. Upload all images, rename them as 1, 2, 3, etc. Paste your scene video prompts. Click Start. Within 3 to 4 minutes, all your videos will be ready. And here's the result. A complete story converted into videos in just one click. In a quiet land, hidden from the world, a young boy named Aki stood at the edge of a forest. He was only 13, but today, his journey was about to begin. As Aki stepped inside, the forest felt alive. The trees whispered, and the air shimmered with gentle light. Suddenly, something appeared. A small, glowing creature floated before him. This was Lumi, the spirit of the forest. At first, Aki was afraid, but Lumi's soft glow felt warm, not dangerous. In that moment, a quiet friendship was born. Lumi led Aki deeper into the forest, where every step left a trail of light, and adventure followed closely behind. So friends, this was today's video on how to use Automata to create free and unlimited videos on desktop and mobile. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel Tech Solution Guru. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll try my best to reply to everyone.